need to defend these students. You want to demonstrate the dark side? No. We do not allow the dark side of the force here, only the light side. You want to demonstrate the dark side. How are we going to demonstrate the dark side?
Right here.
With the demonstration? Oh, okay. All right. What is it to show me here? Two wires that carry the current in the direction indicated by an arrow. So you say this is going to be the dark side. We will see what happens when we apply the current to these wires. You gotta hold it together, Carl. Very good. Look at that. When the currents oppose, they repel. This is the dark side of the force. However, there is a light side. If the currents are in harmony, if they're flowing in the same direction, if I can hold on to this, then what do we find? They attract. This is the good side, the light side. This is the only force that we allow in this lecture, the good side. Remember, you're voting next week, right? So vote in harmony with this. All right, darts. You must.